Hello and welcome to Fastex Exchange. This guide will take you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing your funds using the Sell to Card option. First, open the Fastex Exchange app and tap on the Withdraw option. Select the asset you want to withdraw. To withdraw to your bank card, choose Sell to Card. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Choose the fiat currency you want to receive. Select one of the available withdrawal methods. In this guide, we will choose Bank Card. Then click Continue to proceed. After that, fill in payment information. Enter the required card details and personal information. Ensure that all the details are correct. Then click Pay to finalize the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully withdrawn your funds to your bank card. Your transaction will be processed shortly, and you will receive the funds in your selected fiat currency. If you have any questions, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Fastex Exchange guides.